let's compare the Anker car charger to the Apple Magsafe charger. So both of these are actually some of my favorite chargers, but they're used for very different things. So the Anker car charger is a really great fast charger for your car. You plug it into the accessory socket, and it turns that into a large size USB and then a smaller USB, but it is a fast charger. It can put out quite a lot of current, and it's going to charge your phone or tablet very quickly. The Apple MagSafe charger is super cool too. Comes with a cable, and it's a MagSafe compatible charger for your Apple device. It's got a magnet in there, so you basically put the device on. Usually you would put this on a countertop, and then the device actually sticks to that, and it's a wireless charging system, so you don't need to plug any cable into your actual device. So super cool with that. The one downside, though, is that you will need a charger, a wall charger, to plug this MagSafe into. So you still do need to supply that. With the Anker, it's sort of the opposite issue. It has the ports, but it does not have the cable to plug in your device. So you'll have to supply that in this case. I think both of them are great. I would recommend using the Anker charger in the car. Get your own cable, plug in whatever device you want to use. You can use the MagSafe charger at home. Just get that charging device to plug into the wall. You can plug this cable into, and that way the two you're covered whether you're out and about or you're at home. Now, technically, you could connect them together and have the MagSafe part in the car. I find it works better, though, on like a flat surface at home versus using that in the car. In the car, I like to have the cable actually plugged directly into the phone or other device that I'm charging. So technically, you could use the two together, but I recommend get a charging pack for this one, for the MagSafe, plug it into the wall, put it on your countertop. You can charge up wirelessly at home, then take the Anker, get a cable for your device that's compatible, again, either Apple, Android, whatever you want to charge, and use that in the car.